My 15-day glider project is ruined. Hello everyone, I'm Wonder Maker. My friends all know. Previously, I posted a video of an electromagnetic catapult paper airplane. The ejection effect is quite bad. So I decided to make a glider specifically for electromagnetic catapults. Avenge the previous shame. So I told ChatGPT about my idea. Then he told me, my idea is very good. I decisively placed an order. I bought the longest glider on Taobao. Go to the community for a test flight. Let's see how the flight effect is. This is the first time I realized that the project might not go smoothly. PID algorithm requires a lot of data for fine-tuning. I didn't seem to have a suitable venue at that time. There are too many obstacles in the neighborhood. There may be no way to complete the test flight mission. No matter what, let's change the plane first. Add the vertical tail and horizontal tail first. In this way, the pitch angle and direction of the aircraft can be controlled by the servo. And this thing can't be missing. MPU 6050 module. This is a 6-axis gyroscope. The angular velocity and acceleration of the aircraft can be obtained. But I regretted it soon after I installed it. I found that its Z-axis is floating a lot. When I leave it, they're motionless. The Z-axis will rotate slowly by itself. Hardware is not enough. Software makes up for it. Change it to record the direction at the moment of takeoff. In this case, even if it drifts, it will only fly for 5 or 6 seconds. Little impact. Give him a small fan. This way I can always know the speed of the flight. Now you can start writing the flight control. The overall idea is to first set an optimal cruising speed. When the aircraft's cruising speed is greater than the optimal cruising speed, adjust the horizontal tail, let the plane fly upward. This allows the excess kinetic energy to be stored as potential energy when the aircraft is below its optimum cruising speed. Controlling the aircraft to dive, this can convert potential energy back into kinetic energy. The vertical tail is simpler. Just control the aircraft to fly in the original direction. Finished and started to go downstairs to test the machine.
Nice.
It doesn't seem to be going well. Found to problems. When the aircraft is at a high angle, if the speed is still fast, the aircraft will continue to rise until it stalls. When the plane dives, wind speed data has a certain lag, causes excessive dive. Update the flight control program. The horizontal tail is no longer raised when the pitch angle is greater than 25 degrees. In addition to monitoring the speed, also monitors acceleration. Make the horizontal tail respond more timely. Go downstairs and try the flying effect again. It feels like it flies much better than before. The whole plane was covered with scars. The head is also broken. The wing is broken. The tail wing was folded again. Just keep doing it. He's going to die in our neighborhood. Take the coolies out for a test flight. Everything has a result. The weather is nice. I feel the flight is acceptable. But if we can do more debugging, turn the dive into a wave-like movement, replace a 9-axis attitude sensor, improving the accuracy of posture prediction, then move the 2 servos backwards, improve aircraft control capabilities. The effect should be better.
结过来了，谢谢你啊。
The plane was destroyed. It split directly at the original crack position. The result is not particularly satisfactory, but it was still fun. Go back. I know what you're waiting for. In fact, I tried the electromagnetic catapult and it was very unsuccessful. Dear viewers, please don't unfollow. I am confident that you will be satisfied with the next issue.